Hey guys, Tim here from Candid Tech TV. Today we've got another Five Below Tech Series item. What we're going to be taking a look at is this ultra slim 2600 milliamp hour power bank. So $5, again, here we go. So it's really thin. It says on here actually you could get a 100% charge off of a full power bank battery on here if you're using like an iPhone 8. So this is 2600 milliamp hours. It says down here that that claim is based on having an 1821 milliamp hour iPhone 8. So it's pretty cool. We'll see with the speed how well it works. On the back here, it just shows you basically get a micro USB port inside, and you also get the actual power bank itself. So the reason why I got this is because it is just so darn skinny and small. I remember buying one of these from Five Below probably about 4 or 5 years ago, and it was probably about that thick. And now you can see it is very, very thin there, and it's definitely something that you can really throw in a purse, a bag, and it's not taking up any room at all. So you can see kind of just how slim this thing really is here. So we're going to open this up here, and we're going to take a look at just how big it is and kind of what you get in the package here. First, on the bottom part here, so here's your micro USB to USB cable that you're going to get for charging the power bank. It does come with a user manual in here as well. But as far as the actual power bank, this is it. So you see just how actually small this thing is. It's very lightweight, definitely very, very portable. So you can see on the far end here, looks like you have a couple indicators right there for charge. You've got your USB port right there for going out when you're charging your device, and then to charge the actual device, you've got the micro USB right there. As far as everything else, it's pretty simple branding. There's nothing on the back side here, nothing on the sides. Top's got nothing there, so that is it. Got some of the specs right there. Input, output, so 2600 milliamp hours there, and it tells you was made March of 2018 there in China. So just to give you an example of the size that we're working with here for the general kind of thickness and the length there. So it's pretty small. And here it is next to my Pixel 2 phone, just so you can see there. It's just about as thin as my Pixel phone there, you can see as well. But yeah, this thing is very, very light. So it's pretty cool too. I went with the black one. There's actually a lot of other colors and some other designs that they had in store. I went with this so I could maybe throw some like stickers or kind of do what I want on here and kind of make it my own as well. But I have other ones that are definitely a lot heftier. I've got some other ones that are like 10,000, 20,000 milliamp hours. But with this one here, with the size, I mean, you could easily throw this in your pocket, and in a backpack or something like that. It's going to take up almost no room. So that's why I wanted to try this one out, and it seems pretty cool so far. So I just plugged this in over here. As you can see, I just hooked this up into my 5-port USB charger back here. So you can somewhat see right here it is flashing red, so meaning that it's not fully charged yet. I'm just going to charge this up and see how this works. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hook up my phone here. You can see up here in that upper right corner, I've got about 24% battery life left. I'm going to plug in my Pixel 2 has the USB-C, so I'm plugging that in. I have this USB-C cable that's going to go in to the power bank, and we'll plug this in here. All right, so you can see up top there, it does show that it's charging. And we'll see how well this does. And you can see as this is charging, the color on the actual power bank here changes from the red to a solid blue light. So that shows you that it's actually charging and putting out some power to the device. So as you can see here, it actually has gone up to 30%. It's actually been doing about 3% every 5 minutes or so. So that's not terrible. That's pretty acceptable for me, I think, for a $5 power bank. It is working, and it is actually charging at a decent rate. So if you guys are looking for a really cool ultra portable power bank, This thing's going to take up probably a third of the size of a deck of cards, and it's very, very portable. It has a decent amount of charge. You're basically going to get probably one good charge out of it, and you can charge up your cell phone or maybe some earbuds or something like that. It's definitely something that you can just throw in your bag. If you lose it or, you know, breaks, stops working, it's $5. So this is definitely a good item. I would really recommend picking up. So like I said, compared to power banks in the past, this thing is ultra slim. You can see just how small that is there. And there's gonna be no issues, you know, being able to throw this in your bag. Ladies, if you have a purse or something like that, even a little clutch, it's not gonna take up much room at all. So it's a very, very good option to have some backup power. And if you're going on a trip or traveling or something like that, then this can definitely be a lifesaver. So you can check that out at Five Below. I'll put a playlist over here on the side, kind of right over here as this video is ending there. I do actually have a few other earbud reviews and things like that from Five Below. So I'm doing a whole series called Five Below Tech. So this is another video in that series. So if you like this video, definitely make sure to check out that whole playlist. And if you like tech reviews, then definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button down here below. I do weekly content here on my channel, so I'd appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe and make sure to like it. But thank you guys for checking this out and hanging with me here today, and stay tuned till the next one.